कला का हमेशा सम्मान करती है कम्युनिटी। वेल, श्रेया मेहता is an award-winning artist who explores in her work the social issues of identity, gender, etc. और मौका था इंडियन काउंसिल एट न्यूयॉर्क में श्रेया मेहता के आर्ट एग्जीबिशन का, जिसे मिला काफी अप्रिसिएशन। आफ्टर ऑल, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट स्पिरिट ऑफ शक्ति।
कला जो कहती है बहुत कुछ, कलाकार अपने आर्टवर्क के जरिए कह देता है हर जज्बात, और अपने मास्टरपीसेस के जरिए श्रेया मेहता भी बयां करती हैं एक दास्तान। मौका था आर्टिस्ट श्रेया मेहता की आर्ट एग्जीबिशन का, जिसे होस्ट किया काउंसिलेट जनरल ऑफ इंडिया न्यूयॉर्क ने। इस खास इवेंट की थीम थी स्पिरिट ऑफ शक्ति, जो बखूबी झलकती है श्रेया के आर्ट वर्क में, which is associated with a cause.
I'm actually deeply honored by the Indian consulate. They invited me to have an art exhibition. The event is called Spirit of Shakti. It represents female energy and a divine spirit that is within us all. All the proceeds from my work go to charity. So it's like a charity combined with an art.
आइए खुद श्रेया से जानते हैं कि किस तरह से फीमेल एनर्जी और डिवाइन पावर रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं उनके पीसेस ऑफ आर्ट।
This work is called Grace, and it's inspired by the spirit that is within all women. And I feel like it's very important that we women empower ourselves first, and then we can empower the others. All my work has many layers. As you can see, you have the hands, and behind the hands you see the person's face. So it's not just that superficial thing that you're covering your face with, but the fact that there is an inner spirit. And where does that inner spirit come from? So it comes from spirituality and from within.
It was a beautiful evening of art, culture and philanthropy. Well, Council General of India New York ज्ञानेश्वर मूले हमेशा देते हैं आर्ट को बढ़ावा, और श्रेया की आर्ट तो जुड़ी है philanthropy से।
Well, the first time I saw Shreya's, examples or samples of her paintings, and I was truly mesmerized. You could sometimes look at a few lines of poem and see the talent of the genius of the poet. Similarly, you can see one painting of an artist and you could actually sense that the talent that is presented to you at that particular moment. So I said, yes, why not? And that's how we have this wonderful evening.
श्रेया को सपोर्ट करने यहाँ उनके दोस्त भी पहुँचे, who couldn't stop appreciating amazing Shreya.
She's done a fabulous job. Thank you to the Indian consulate for honoring her for her work. We are very proud of her, and I think this event has done fabulous.
Very proud of her work. She's an amazing person, artist, mother, wife, daughter-in-law, you name it, everything. She is super talented and she's so hands-on with everything, and her art is just inspiring.
We are in the Indian consulate for first of a kind one woman artist show, Shakti. Shreya is an amazing artist who is donating all the proceeding to all the charities. This is the theme of this presentation, is about women. You can see Shakti, you can see the power of women in the goddesses, in a woman's expression. I think she's done an amazing job to get the expression out. I'm just thrilled to be here.
Ambassador Gyaneshwar Mule and Malini Shah, on behalf of New York City Council, presented special citation to Shreya Mehta, जिनके आर्टवर्क से महिलाओं को मिला यही मैसेज, that be the change you want to see in world.
Well, बहुत कुछ बाकी है छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद, जहां हम आपको दिखाएंगे राजस्थान के रंग।